Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100. So, to enter prank mode, firstly we need to turn on the speaker. At the top, at the left side, we have power button. You need to press and hold this power button. And we just turn on it. Now, if your speaker do not connect it with another devices, it will enter to prank mode automatically, and you know it by the LED light was blinking blue in the Bluetooth button. We see it at the device list. Right here we have it. But also we can enter to prank mode manually. To enter prank mode manually, you need to press one time at the Bluetooth button. You will hear the prompt, meaning that you enter to prank mode manually, and you will also see it at the device list. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!